Good morning, Mom. We're the group blurb. Our topic for today is all about egg. Egg composition, function of egg in food preparation. Objective: at the end of this module, students should be able to identify the parts of egg, knowing the importance of function of egg in food preparation, performing different ways of cooking eggs. What is an egg? All birds' eggs are edible, highly nutritious, and neatly packed in their own shells. Eggs are one of the most versatile foods to prepare. Parts of an egg: the sunny yellow yolk, seated in the center of the egg, descends in the nutrients. The yolk serves to nourish chick. Ang yolk po, ang dilaw ng itlog, ay siya po ang pinaka-nutrient-rich part ng itlog. Mayaman po siya sa vitamins, mineral, fats, and protein. At ito rin po ang food supply para sa embryo kung ma-fertilize ang itlog. At ang germinal disc po ay maliit na white spot sa yolk. Dito po nagsisimula ang sisiw kung ma-fertilize. Albumen or egg white accounts for almost 58% of an egg weight and is made up largely of water and protein. Although it appears to be one mass, the egg white is actually constructed of layers, different in viscosity, alternating from the thick to thin. The type and amounts of proteins in various parts of egg white determine the difference in viscosity. Around the yolk is a layer of thick protein called albumen. The chalice o calice at the top and bottom of egg anchor the egg yolk in the thick egg white surrounding it. They also secure the yolk to its vertiline membrane so it stays neatly centered in the middle of the egg.
Shell membranes. Between the egg white and the shell are two membranes, an inner and outer shell membrane. These press up against the shell and protect the egg against bacterial invasion. So, madaling sabi, si shell membranes are the reason kung bakit mahalaga ang membranes excuse me. Lamad ng balat ng itlog ay dahil ang mga itlog ay marupok at need ng multiple layer of defense. Ang balat lamang ay maaaring magkaroon ng tiny pores or malilit na butas na nangangahulugang madaling makapasok ang bacteria. So with the inner and outer membranes, the egg gets extra protection. So these membranes also work together with the egg white, which contains antibacterial proteins. So, naglalaman daw siya ng proteinang antibacterial upang mapanatiling ligtas at sariwa ang itlog sa mas mahaba pang mga panahon. Air sail. Between the two shell membranes at the larger end of the egg is pocket of air known as the air sail. It ensures the eggs remain intact. So si air sail daw is the air sail is very useful because it helps the egg remain intact and also give us a way to check if an egg is still good to eat. For example, diba sa egg float test, lumulubog ang mga sariwang itlog sa tubig, di ba? Habang lumulutang naman ang mga mas lumang itlog dahil lumalaki na ang kanilang air sails. Shell. Shell is the natural protection of the delicate internal contents of an egg. Is its surroundings shell that is made up of calcium carbonate. So si shell daw is the eggshell may look hard but it also delicate because of its thinness. That's why eggs can break easily. However, kung walang balat yung egg, hindi magtatagal ang itlog dahil mabilis itong masira ng bacteria and physical damage will quickly spoil it. Functions of egg and foods.
Emulsify. Ang egg yolk ay may lecithin na tumutulong pagsamahin ng oil at water. It helps make food like mayonnaise, salad dressing, and ice cream smooth and well blended. Binding. Kapag niluto ang protein ng itlog ay nagsisilbing binder na nagdudugtong sa mga sangkap. That's why it's used in meatballs, burgers, and cakes to keep them firm and intact.